Hey guys, welcome to another plugin tutorial. Today it's on Title Manager. So this is a really awesome plugin that is free to download on Spigot, which allows you to have first join messages as well as a really cool tab with animations. So I'm going to show you how to configure it and edit it, and yeah, let's get started. So as you can see up there, we have some information above the user's name, and below is a cool little animation. So let's go ahead and go into the config file, and we can have a look at what we can change. And that was a previous plugin. So here we go. So up here you can change what it says in the tab menu. So you can change how many lines it has. It has 3 at the moment. That's a bit too much, if I'm honest. So I'd remove 2 of those to only have 1. You could have my server -welcome or something, I don't know, whatever you want, maybe a website address or something. And in the footer you can actually have an animation. So I made one earlier called YouTube. I'm pretty pleased with it. It looks nice, but it's quite simple. I'll show you that in a minute. The welcome message, you can change the fade in and fade out, and this is in ticks, I believe, and obviously 20 ticks is 1 second. So maybe you could have it stay for 3 seconds and fade out in 1 second. So you could change the colours as well, just to jazz it up a little, whatever you really want. And in the first join you could make that say something different when players first join your server. And you can also have an action bar welcome, which is I believe just above the hotbar. I believe that's what that is. So yeah, I'm going to leave that as it is, and you can also change the date format to the wrong way round if you want, if you're American. But that's fine the way it is, and I believe that's everything in this file. If we go into the animations, you can see that they are quite long and look confusing, but it's pretty straightforward. This is the one I made, which I'm going to show you in a second. So if we go ahead and reload our server, and I refresh it and join, here is the message, and there is the action bar message. So if you look in chat, or in the tab bar I should say, you can see my little animation that says hello, it goes across. I don't know, it's pretty simple, but I like it. And that could be like a website address, as I said. You could have the top bar as an animation as well. No, don't reload it. I really hate that it does that, asks me every time. So we could in fact have an animation for both. So there's test 2 is another animation if we reload the server. And then look, you can see there's 2 really neat animations going on, which is really cool that you can do that. Yeah, you can mess around with that for ages, but I'm going to show you how to create a new one if you really want to. So go into animations. Basically the easiest way to do it is copy one that's already here and hit enter and then backspace till you're at the back. That didn't even copy, did it? So make sure you copy it and then paste it. Obviously change the name or you have lots of problems, so animation 1, and then you can go ahead and change the frames. So you can use color code, you can use letters and numbers to whatever you want. Quite a neat trick is if you select it all and go to search replace, and you can replace, for example, and B with C, maybe replace all, and as you can see it's completely changed. So that's really cool that you can do that. And yeah, you could just mess around with that for ages. There is also a link to a website on the Spigot page where you can make your own animations there as well if you don't like doing it in the config. So yeah, that's the plugin. It is free to download, which is great. There is a lot of paid Title Manager plugins or similar. But yeah, subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you next time.